Very good morning, students. Myself Neeraj Parihar from First Rank Education Academy. Student, last week one of my student comes to me and asks me, "Sir, in your last lecture, you have explained a meaning of partnership and the provisions of partnership. Can you please explain us which accounts are maintained in the books of partnership firm?" So, student, in this video we will focus on which accounts are maintained in the books of partnership firm. Generally, capital account of the partner are maintained in the books of partnership firm to record all individual transactions done by the partner. Now, capital account is maintained by two methods. First method is fluctuating capital account method, and second method is fixed capital account method. Today we are going to discuss about a fluctuating capital account method. A method in which the opening balance of the capital and the closing balance of the capital of any partner reported flexible or fluctuated is known as fluctuating capital account method. All the transactions of the related of the partners are recorded in this method. Only one capital account is maintained in this method. Let us understood something more about with the help of specimen of capital account that what things will be included in the capital account. Student, this is the specimen of partners capital account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 columns are maintained in this account. First 4 columns are considered as a debit side and next 4 columns are considered as a credit side of the accounts. First column here, it is a date column. All the balances in the capital account will be recorded as the opening date of the financial year, and all adjustments will be recorded as a either adjustment dates or either closing date of the financial year. Let us start from the debit side. First one, that is opening balance or balance brought down. Whatever balance of the partners will be recorded here. After that, second one is to drawings account. Whenever the drawings will be occurred, that date we have to mention here. Whatever drawings has been done, a partners has been withdrawn the amounts from the business, that will be recorded here. After that, next is to interest on drawings. How much interest on drawings will be charged, that will be recorded here. After that, to profit and loss appropriation accounts. Generally, whenever the firm incurred loss at that time, how much divisible loss of the partners, that will be recorded in these two columns. After that, to balance carry forward. The closing balance of the partner's capital account will be recorded in these two columns. The same way, in the credit side of the partner's capital account, first balance by balance brought down. All the amount brought by the partner into the firm will be recorded here. During the year, if any additional capital is required in the firm and brought by the partner during the year, will be recorded here by additional capital. By salary account, by bonus account, by commission account, by remuneration account, all these are expenses paid by the firm to the partners will be recorded in the credit side of the partner's capital account. After that, by profit and loss appropriation account, here the divisible profit of the partners will be recorded here. And at last, by balance carry forward, the closing balance of the partner's capital will be recorded here in the credit side of partner's capital account. Student, this was the specimen of partner's capital account. All the records of the partner's capital account will be debited or credited, keeping in the mind of transactions nature. All subsequently either increase or decrease in the opening balance of the capital account. So the balance of the capital account of any partner changes frequently or every year. That's why this method is known as fluctuating capital account method. All the transactions between the partner and partnership firm will be recorded in this capital account. In this method, the balance of the capital account is either debit or either credit. If a partner's capital account comes with a credit balance, it would be appear in the liability side of the balance sheet. If the closing balance of the capital account is a debit balance, it would appear in the asset side of the balance sheet. So student, this was the all about the fluctuating capital account method. In our next video, we will be come out with the second method, that is fixed capital account method. Till then, goodbye, have a good day, and thank you very much.